Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce white. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking for about 1 minute until golden. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking and stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. This forms the perfect creamy base. To elevate your white sauce, consider adding some key ingredients. Stir in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for a delightful, nutty depth. Season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A tiny pinch of nutmeg can also enhance the creaminess. For an aromatic touch, add 1 clove of minced garlic or 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Speaking of effortless, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It handles the mess so you can focus on making delicious pasta. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. You can easily customize your white sauce. For a richer, more decadent sauce, substitute some or all of the milk with heavy cream. To make it a full meal, stir in cooked chicken, sautéed mushrooms, or fresh spinach. If your sauce is too thick, add a splash more milk. If too thin, simmer a bit longer. Always taste and adjust seasonings before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.